Hello, Bitcoin has now moved down and these are the counts I am tracking. There are quite a few. So on the daily chart, we are counting this as an ABC. And now we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4 looking for a finishing wave 5. And here in my previous Bitcoin videos, I wrote that we are looking for a new low here after June 9, which has the higher probability due to time, as I mentioned. And we got a new low right now, so this is great for this scenario. And we did not hit the invalidation either. So the alternative to this is counting this as an ABC here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, an extended wave 5. And this was also looking for a new low after June 9. And we did not hit the invalidation either. So both of these scenarios are at go at the moment, and we don't know yet which of the one is the correct one, basically, if we put it like this, because none of them have invalidated the wave 4s and also made new lows. So the question is, are we done here and are now looking for more upside? So if we zoom in on this part, you can count this part in a lot of different ways. So the first count I am tracking is this. So WXY in a wave A here, and then you have A, B, C in a wave B, and then you're looking for upside, and then you're looking for downside. So this is a bit tricky because here you kind of fake everyone out by having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because that's is needed in a wave C. And then you are moving down, taking out this low yet again, if we don't get a running flat, but that is a lower probability. So the alternative to this is this. So WXY, and then you are looking for a 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 4, 5, basically stacking 1, 2s over here. And this is looking for lower prices. And then the alternative, another alternative, ABC in a W, WXY, which is finished here. And then you're looking for an ABC here in a wave Y. But afterwards, you are looking for downside because this is a corrective structure. And the second to last scenario is counting this as a running triangle. So ABC A, ABC in a wave B, C, D, E, and then you move down. And the last possibility is that we are not finished here with a wave X. So ABC, W, and then wave X, and then you have a wave Y, either as a flat or as a triangle like this. So the probabilities for these, you cannot really finish anything right now in this scenario, because here you can see that wave 5 is not reached 100%, which it needs to do because this is an expanding diagonal. So wave 5 needs to be 100% longer or exactly 100% compared to wave 3 or longer than wave 3, and it is not that at the moment. So therefore this needs to have one more low in a wave B without touching this, because if we move down here and touch this line here at 54,519, then this scenario looking for an A, B, and an impulse up in a wave C is very low probability. But here, as I mentioned, we are looking for one more low at least to finish this wave 5, because if we don't, this diagonal is not valid. Then you have this, so WXY, and then 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, looking for way lower prices. Here, the soft invalidation for me is hitting this, and the invalidation for me is hitting this, because if we move up now, taking out this has a very, very low probability of being a 1, 2, 1, 2, because then you have an expanded flat which reached the very uncommon target, and yeah, so that is not really a probability at all for me. So that this is basically eliminating the move, the super bearish move down, if I put it like that. And then you have this, which is interesting. So ABC in a W, WXY. This is the only way you can count this to have a finished move as of right now here in a wave X. This is tricky because if you have the A, B, and now looking for a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a wave C up in a flat, the maximum time for a wave C is here on June 26. So if we move up A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and go above this time, if I put it like that, then it's a very low probability that it is a wave C. And at the same time, wave Y compared to wave W have a minimum time limit of here at June 28. So you can see the discrepancy here between that wave C do not want to move beyond this time, and wave Y need to basically move beyond this line to be valid. So we have this gap, which is not great for this scenario. But time is never an invalidation, it's just a guideline. But it's not looking great that we are done here with a WXY in a wave X of a higher degree, and now looking for a flat. That has a lower probability just because of this gap not fitting. So then, the running triangle, yeah, absolutely, ABC, A, and then ABC in a wave B. But here you are still looking for one more low to have this wave 5 being longer than wave 3. You can see that 100% is not reached yet. So therefore this scenario needs to have basically a new low to be in play. But we don't want to go as low as this, as I mentioned here at 54,520, because if we do, then this scenario is very low probability. And then you have the WXY not finished. So ABC, W, WX, and then Y in either a triangle or a flat. And these have the higher probability just because of us not finishing a diagonal as of right now. So you can maybe ask yourself, well, what about the bullish scenarios? You always need a bullish scenario. Yeah, but a bullish scenario, you cannot start a bullish scenario from here because we made a new low over here. So the only information we have for the bulls is this move right now. So we have a wick and we have this little move up. So this is too early to talk about the bullish scenarios if we are indeed done here and then looking for bullish scenarios. We need to have like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with a retracement to even start considering bullish scenarios. Other than that, the bearish scenarios have all the higher probabilities. So yeah, I hope this was helpful to you. If you found this analysis helpful, feel free to subscribe. And you can also find Elliott Wave resources at mellantrading.com. I'll see you in the next one.